Ito at nagbabalik na naman si Arlo Motoventure. And this time naman mag-review tayo ng scooter, which is yung Royal Alloy GB150. Kaya tara at sabahan niyo ako at tignan natin itong napakagandang motor. So meron siyang 149.8cc engine displacement, air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, single overhead cam na merong 13 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. So meron din itong fuel capacity na 11 liters, 130 kilograms na curb weight, at seat height na 770mm. At dito naman sa kanyang panel, napakasimple pero sobrang elegante. At kahit isang bar na lang yung fuel niyan, napakarami pa rin niyang laman. Sa left handlebar naman niya, meron napakasimpleng buttons, which is yung horn, signal light, high and low beam na switch. At mapunta naman tayo sa right hand side, which is yung throttle of course, and yung push start, at yung button na hindi ko maalala kung ano. Sa front wheel naman or suspension, meron siyang double hydraulic with preload adjustable shock absorber and anti-dive technology. Gulong niya is Pirelli tubeless tires na merong 110/70 na 12-inch rim. At sa likod naman, meron siyang double hydraulic with preload adjustable shock absorber na Pirelli tubeless tires as well na 120/70 na 12-inch na merong 220mm disc with Bosch dual channel ABS. At ito naman ang kanyang front compartment, and sensya na nandyan si Peppa Pig. Pero syempre maganda at super spacious yung kanyang lalagyanan. At dito na nagtatapos sa ating review. Next naman natin ay yung ating personal bike na ZX 10R Generation 1. Maraming salamat po ulit. Paalam!